Hi, it's Charlie giving you Friday's live trading. When I say live trading, I can't show you it today because I'm running out of time. And basically, I'm in some sort of swing trades, which I'll just show you the side bits here. I'm in a couple of different swing trades on a couple of different markets, but I can't. I don't want to show you them because they're live and we're there or thereabouts, quite close to where the actual price is, and so. If I show them, then it means that lots of people could potentially go in on the same trade that I'm in. So, which I don't like whilst I'm, when stops are in places and stuff. So, unfortunately, I can't show you my live trading today, and so as such, like I say, I always show you the account, but I can't show you, the actual trades that it's in. So, what do I do with you instead? Hold on a second. Let me press pause. Well, what we'll do is we'll just do some analysis, and then we'll carry on with this into next week. Obviously, the big news was obviously yesterday with the big reversal in the markets, and we can see the pound is obviously reversing down here, more so today as well. So we've got this channel that's in play, and I think that ultimately the pound's going to want to come down for this lower trend channel line. So if you haven't got this channel in place, put it on from sort of November of last year time. Off the lows there, and then take it up the nice parallel channel there on the pound. So I think that's probably going to be the one to look at there. Obviously the big one is the euro, so let's have a look at that. Big key reversal day yesterday, everyone ought to be well aware of that. Again, there's a nice channel in play. There's a few actually. If I can't zoom out far enough on this, but if I bring up this line, there we go. So and then zoom back in, then we can see the euro has come down pretty quickly to this trend channel line, and I suspect it's going to weaken further. I wonder whether we're just going to get a complete sell-off, because people like myself are sitting here on the outside saying, okay, well, I'll short the rallies, and I wonder whether it's even going to rally, so we'll have to see. So it traps people on the outside. But what I would say to you, if you are trapped on the outside and you're not in the euro at the moment, you want to be short, you have to have the discipline to be able to not go into a trade if you've missed it, because there's no point in just shorting here. It's potential that it bounces into early part of next week off this trend line, so it's always potential that it bounces and then all of a sudden you're deeply underwater. So never chase a market. If it doesn't set up for you, then you have to sit on the outside and just be a casual observer. That would be my advice on that one. But hopefully the euro gives an opportunity at some point on there. So that's what I'm going to be looking for going into the next week. Then if I can get an opportunity to short the euro, then I think it's there. I've been talking about my concerns with the euro for quite a long time. The fact that the euro was if we go back out to the weekly charts, I think I've mentioned this before in the updates, it was making these marginal new highs, and that was always a warning sign to me, the fact that it was just making those, and obviously now it's rolled. So, but the thing is, you never know at what point it's going to roll, but anyway, so it got very, very close to 140 yesterday within about 7 or 8 pips or so of it. So, so bearish on the euro. I think that the rhetoric has said enough now, so it's just a case of finding the trades and finding the right opportune time to get those trades. Let's have a look at the dollar yen. The dollar yen's just sort of sitting around here at the moment in this support zone. It's just come into its band, so it may want to just bounce around within the bands here. So it's possible over the coming days. So, but I don't have too much more to say about that until I see if it's actually going to break and clearly break down, or what it's going to do. Because at the moment it's just sort of languishing around this trend channel. So again, we'll just have to wait and see what the yen's up to. But the big news is those other two really. The Aussie dollar overall, pretty good price action, not being affected here. So the Aussie dollar, we should be looking for the potential to this ultimately to run back up towards these highs. Sorry I shouldn't show you the live trades that I've got myself into today, because but I can't do it if I haven't managed to close them out, and if price is still sitting fairly close. And it's always possible that it means that traders, too many people who are watching these videos can if they wanted to, could then think, oh, I'll go in as well, and then it creates a huge amount of orders. So anyway, we shall see how that gets on, and maybe I'll update you on those on Monday's update. Have a great weekend for now.